Welcome to Nina's Thai Kitchen. Here is honey grilled pork. It's also known as mu ping, a very popular street food in Thailand, and it's best to eat with warm sticky rice. Now we are going to prepare the marinated sauce. In the traditional way, we use the mortar and pestle to smash the garlic and cilantro root together. But today I'm going to show you the simple way that I now even use this way. I'm going to use the magic bullet by putting all the ingredients together, starting from garlic, cilantro stem, pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and honey. We will mix well together in the bullet. It doesn't need to be fine. Rough one should be good. Next, meat preparation. We prefer to use pork butt because the fatty part will give you more flavor when you grill it. Here is the direction or the line of the grain. We're going to cut it across or against it. Let me show it to you. The thickness, we would like it to be 1/8 of an inch. For the fatty part, we're going to slice the meat the same way across the grain, which will make it more tender. Now we're adding 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and marinade sauce into our meat. Mix and massage it well together for at least 3 to 5 minutes, and then cover it, refrigerate it overnight or at least 4 hours. Now it's time to cook. First method, using an air fryer. For those who have air fryers, this is the simplest and easiest way to cook. I myself really like this one. We are going to cook at the temperature 380 for 5 minutes for the first side. After we're done with the first 5 minutes, we're going to take it out, flip it over, and put it back in the same temperature 380 for another 3 minutes. We're done with the 3 minutes of second side. Look at the meat. It looks so yummy with nicely golden honeycrisp outside. Method 2, oven boiled. First, preheat the oven to a boil, and then we're gonna put the meat into the oven for 5 minutes first. After the first 5 minutes, we're gonna take it out, flip it over to another side, and put it back into the oven for another 5 minutes. We just finished another 5 minutes. Let's take a look. The meat is cooked with nicely golden on the outside. Method 3, charcoal grill for 2 to 4 minutes each side or until it's cooked. In Thailand, we put meat on the bamboo skewers like this picture. If you have time, you can do it as well. It will make it more special. We are done with our honey grilled pork and sticky rice. Let me show you how we eat it. We normally roll it into a ball like this. And then of course, put in your mouth. It's still steaming. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.